Oh hey! Yate, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm getting paid. To say that in Navajo, you say, Shich'į, Iiljeeh. Shich'į, Iiljeeh. I'm getting paid. To say it is the first of the month, I'm getting paid, you would say, Hanana zid, t'ahla ago yolkal in da Iiljeeh. DJ, atcha Shich'į, Iiljeeh. Hanana zid, t'ahla ago yolkal in da Iiljeeh. DJ, atcha Shich'ĩ, Iiljeeh. In da Iiljeeh means several employers are paying out people, or it is payday. To say, when do you get paid? You would say, Chahola Shich'ĩ, Iiljeeh. Chahola Shich'ĩ, Iiljeeh. To say Ty gets paid on the 7th, you would say, Sostid Yolkal Kone Ty Shich'ĩ, Iiljeeh. Sostid Yolkal Kone Ty Shich'ĩ, Iiljeeh. The future tense is Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. The past tense term is Shich'ĩ, Iiljeeh. You can also say this in slang. You can say Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. It means I'm getting a thick wad of cash or I'm getting paid. Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. To say I get paid on Wednesday, you would say Wednesday go Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. Wednesday go Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. The past tense term is Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. To say it's the first of the month, did you get paid? You would say T'ahla ago yolkal hanana zid nichesh Iiljeeh. T'ahla ago yolkal hanana zid nichesh Iiljeeh. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. I'm getting paid. Shich'ĩ, Iiljeeh or Shich'ĩ Iiljeeh. Have a nice day.